Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to embed Twitter account in your WordPress site. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use, and then you have to simply put in the www.wordpress.com in the top search bar. And once you put that, then you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and once you put your login credentials there, it will simply take you to this page. From here you have to simply click on the edit side in the quick links option, and once you click on the edit side, and when you are in the edit side option, it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. And from here you have to simply click on the top navigation plus icon from here, and once you click on the plus icon from there, and after that it will simply take you to the search bar like this, and from here you have to simply type in Twitter embed. And once you type in Twitter embed, here you can see you have already got the Twitter embed option from here, and once you find it, you have to just simply put it to your website. And after that, here you can see it will simply look like this. Here you can see the Twitter embed URL, and here you have to simply put in your profile URL like that, and then you have to simply click on the embed option. After that, it will simply embed your Twitter profile in your website. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.